Hello dear Pisces, it's been a while since I did your reading, so I'm gonna start with your reading and read it directly from the Nostradamus book. Let's start. I'm gonna shuffle it for you first. You came out. So second week, third week, fourth week. Some cards have been consistent throughout the reading so far, because it's Valentine's and everybody is going through work and their personal life is also in the picture. The Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant, and the Lovers. Let's see what Nostradamus has to say about you. You have got major arcana cards as well. Okay, so I'm going to directly read it from you. Read it for you from this book. It's a Nostradamus book. Now let me show it to you what you got in the first week. Seven of Spears and the Empress. The Empress just came in one of the readings I was doing, and not bad, so far it looks like a wonderful reading to me. But let's see what Nostradamus has to say about you. I'm sure he is more reliable than I am. The Empress. Love. This movement embodies love. So this can be your mother, this can be your lover. I don't know, maybe it's Valentine's. It has to focus on your love life. If you're a single, then you have your mother's love for sure. Marriage is on the card for some. Definitely this shows that a love, and it represents passion from a man to woman and a woman to man. So let's see, Pisces, if there is love to you, because I still want to know what this card holds for you. Nostradamus, tell me for Pisces. Seven of Spheres for Pisces. Okay. Okay, so there is cleansing energy. Okay, this shows that even if there is no love in your life, this shows that there is reward for your good work. This shows that there is a beautiful woman, your mother in your life, who loves you. This also shows that you should not be overdoing anything, that you should be taking proper care. I'll tell you exactly what. This shows that you are trying too hard to be perfectionist. You are trying so hard. Maybe you're working long hours, and your mother here is ready to give you with all the love. Maybe when you come back late home, she's there with food waiting for you, up all night, not going to sleep, because she knows that her child is out there working very hard. You are definitely going to get reward for your work, but it's not very okay to be perfectionist. This is not a negative reading or negative words that are coming out. It just says that you are putting a lot of pressure on yourself. You are decluttering things, which is a good thing, but do not try and become a perfectionist. Balance it out, because there's definitely someone who will reward you for your work, who will give you a lot of love. Okay, so think about this person. Do not overstress. Drink lots of water, take care of your health, is what this card means. There's definitely health in your picture. You are just stressing yourself. Don't do that. Okay? A lot of love is shown. So definitely you have a motherly natured person. That can be your sister or whoever, or your wife or your girlfriend. I don't know who this person is, but definitely a motherly, maybe your husband, or your father, with that motherly nature doesn't mean a woman only. Motherly nature means that person who cares for you, a person who loves you, a person who wants to shower you with all the love. So this gives me a very lovely vibe, Pisces. But you have to stop being perfectionist. You have to take care of your health, drink enough water, eat right. That's what the first week is about. So the second week says Initiate and the Emperor. Initiate means that you have to make a proposal, you have to start doing something. Let's clarify the Emperor. The Emperor for Pisces, the Emperor for Pisces, the Emperor for Pisces. Authority, fatherhood, intellect, forward movement. The Emperor represents stability. Solid. Okay, what about the Initiate? Hmm. Okay, so definitely there's a strong personality in your life. There's also maybe both your father and mother are caring for you in their own ways. There's motherly nature, and this person shows a fatherly figure, fatherly strong person in your life. Both these cards, the Emperor also means that there's a strong authoritative fatherly figure in your life, and Initiate also says, I'll tell you what initiate actually means. So, the initiate of moons, it says, is a knight of perfect gentleness and a spiritual, daring person. A sense of otherworldly glamour hangs about him, a secret knowledge hidden just below the surface. As a guide, he is second to none. As a friend, he is a rock upon which you may rest in time of need. So definitely, it says that you guys need a break. Okay, Pisces, you have been working hard and you have two very strong personalities, your mother and your father, standing beside you, asking you to accept some invitation. Initiate doesn't mean it means proposal, it means invitation. So you might be accepting some proposal, or it might be some guy who is that leader kind of a person, a strong person who is accepting your invitation. Maybe you are taking your father's advice to do something and to not to do something. I don't know, maybe he wants to take you out because you have been stressing a lot about your work, and that's why your mother and your father both want you to take a weekend getaway. Or there's this person in your life who's a guy. If you're a girl, there's a guy, for example, and he wants to propose to you, and you are going to accept or reject, I don't know. But this person definitely is a nurturing person, this definitely is a strong solid person, and like it says that you can fall back on this person. This is a reliable rock solid person, definitely. So if this person comes to you, and if you get a proposal in the second week or by Valentine, I don't know, I think, Pisces, you must go ahead with it. You must accept it. Third week says there's a master, again a authoritative figure or a father figure in your life, and there's a Hierophant. Let's clarify with Nostradamus what the third week has to say about you. Marriage, good advice. Hierophant is a master of high wisdom. Maybe your father is advising you to I don't know, get married, or make an arranged marriage since you are single, and you accept his proposal that, okay dad, if you want me to really meet this guy, I will go ahead and I will meet this guy. What the heck, then somehow this shows me that there is a positive movement. Maybe you agreed to get married to a person, and this third week shows that there is marriage or engagement or some kind of commitment, and you are going and meeting the priests, or in India we call them the pundits. You're talking to them, or maybe some, this Hierophant is definitely a person who knows what he's doing. He's a skilled person, and he is a higher person of higher wisdom. Why we say a person of higher wisdom is definitely somebody you look up to, who has been there for a long time before you have been on your, or your parents have been. So definitely it might be your grandparents, it might be somebody from your family who's maybe into this matchmaking scene, and you're talking and discussing things, and you're accepting a proposal. This shows an acceptance. This shows that there's a child and who's guided by their parents, and they they are telling you to get married to a person, then this shows that you must go ahead. I think, so far I'm getting this reading that these both people, your parents, mean well to you. If they are telling you to get married to a person, they mean well, and I'm sure they have done all the background checks. Of course, they're also taking the advice of the hierophant, person who knows well. Maybe they'll be matching your astrology charts and everything to see if you guys are actually good for each other or not, and let's see how it turns out to be. So go ahead, agreed with your parents. I think agree with your parents and take that proposal, whatever they're offering, and discuss, and then let's see what the hierophant has to say. Okay, let's get to the fourth week, Pisces. So you have Five of Spheres and you have the Lovers. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think even if this is an arranged marriage kind of a thing, this is going to turn out to be beautiful, I think. But let me clarify with Nostradamus. Okay, so the lovers for Pisces. The lovers for Pisces. Contractual agreement, like I said, there is contractual agreement, there is agreement. Trials overcome, there's trust, there is choice, there is love, there is union. Oh my god, that's what the lover means. What about Five of Spheres for Pisces? Okay. This also has a negative sides to it, but I am not getting a negative feeling, so I'm not going to reflect on that. There is a struggle to survive. There is honesty, stern determination, and a lack of self-love. So I think, Pisces, what I get the reading, what I get the feeling from the reading is that you were confused about something, and there was first, I think in the first week, your mother was trying to convince you to get married, but you were like, no, no. But this mother, I think she loves you a lot. Okay, if you think that your parents don't mean well, then don't think that, because this is giving me a feeling that your mother, second week, your father, both love you, both are there to protect you, both are very strong people. If something goes wrong tomorrow, they are going to be there for you. Like this second week card says that he's a rock solid person, and you can bank upon him. You can fall back if need be, but it doesn't show that there's a negative sign at all. Third week says that there's going to be, second week also said that there's going to be proposal and you're going to accept it, and the third week says that you're going ahead. Maybe you accepted a particular offer, maybe you met that guy, maybe you thought now, okay, it's time to match, I don't know, kundlis or whatever, if this is actually going to work or not. And you also went to a higher person of higher wisdom, like a priest, and you also discussed things with him, and he approved. Guess what? He approved of this relationship, and he said that, yeah, I think it's a perfect relation. And then in the fourth week there was union. Maybe you'll get married in the fourth week. There is love, there is union, there is trust. There is, I mean, it's a beautiful card. The Lovers is a very beautiful card to have in a reading, though there is that lack of self-love from your side. You're a very determined person. This shows you have made your decision, but you are paying less attention to yourself. Maybe you're trying to impress this person more, maybe you're trying to impress your parents more, but no, this shows that there is lack of self-love. No matter what the union is, no matter what the person is, you have to take care of yourself also. You have to love yourself first and then this person. Okay, union doesn't mean that you give all the importance to the other person. It means two people coming together. So do not forget yourself, Pisces. It's a beautiful reading. Accept that proposal, listen to your parents, and things will turn out to be great. You are definitely going to get married. Beautiful. Do comment, let me know how it went. Let me know if you guys accepted the proposal by the end of this month, if there was a solid commitment or not. Do comment, do like, let me know. Subscribe my channel if you want to, and see me next month. Bye bye.